On. Yun. Off natin. Ayan guys, nagsara. Ito guys, subukan natin. Testingin. Magre-react ba yung motor o hindi. Okay. Don't do this guys. Medyo risky. On natin. Wala. Nagre-react yung motor guys. Hindi lang nag-spin. Tanggalin natin. At i-repair natin guys. Tulusan pag ganito. So tanggalin natin. Para pag binalik natin, magkatapat siya. And okay, and like that. Okay. Oh, it's a bushing type. What a lucky day. And it has a lock here. Okay. Be careful with this lock. And let's open up. Okay, here is it guys. So this both bushing is dry up. So we're going to put a lubricant on it. Here guys, I want to show you something. I'm going to put this AC line here, and just in case you don't have multi-tester, here's the other way how to test the motor if it's still okay. So for our protection, we're going to put electrical tape here and to the other line. Okay, here guys, and here's my 220 outlet. I'm going to plug in here. Okay. The moment I on this switch, there must be an electromagnetic force to this core. Okay? At pag ipinasok ko to, didikit siya. Okay? Pupul niya. Okay, let's start. See? Pinupul niya. Yan yung electromagnetic force. So, okay pa siya. And then put some lubricant here. Okay guys, this is my lubricant now, and I'm going to pour some here to the axle. Lalangisan ko tong axle guys, ganun din sa kabila, at iset aside natin siya, at ito dito natin siya lalagyan. Okay, kaya mo naman guys, i-shoot dito like that, do it but with extra caution. Okay, para itong mga wire na to, magnet wire, hindi mabasa. Like that, i-aim nyo rito, and then patuluan nyo there. Okay, so wag masyado. So kanina puno siya, ngayon mayroon pa siyang kalahati, so yun na gamit ko doon. At iwipe natin yung mga excess dahil makakasama yan sa ating magnetic wire. Okay, kanina, kabilang plate, kabilang cover plate. Okay, nagtapat na ito guys, nag-spin na yan, okay na. At try natin yung salpak. Nakita nyo yung ukan na yan, tatapat nyo naman dito. Okay, so isalpak lang natin siya like that. And then, ayan na siya guys, okay na. So, yung nagtapon nito, magsisisi dahil bibili siya ng panibago. Guys, babalik natin siya. At pag ganito ang loosen, pag ganito naman ang higpit. Okay, testing guys. On. Yun, kita yung lover niya sa likod guys, open. Okay, yan, nag-open siya, dito lalabas yung hangin. Ayan, laking pagsisisi nung nagtapon, hindi niya alam, nire-repair pa ng technician. Ngayon, kung technician man siya, technician na replacement yun, hindi marunong mag-repair. Okay, off natin. Ayan guys, nagsara. So, i-install natin to sa kusina natin. Exhaust natin to tuwing nagluluto tayo para ang usok ay ilalabas niya. Okay? So, hanggang dyan lamang po at maraming salamat. Thank you. Goodbye.